With the IONIQ 5, Hyundai is now a step beyond its Japanese competitors on the EV front. The crossover arrives with a choice of either a 58 or 72.6 kWh battery pack, and a further choice of either a single rear-mounted motor driving the rear wheels or a dual front and rear motor setup affording all-wheel drive. In its most potent powertrain combination dual motors, the 72.6 kWh battery, the IONIQ 5 scoots around with a combined 301 horsepower and 446 pound-feet, allowing for mostly silent runs from 0 to 62 miles per hour in a quick 5.2 seconds. Keep the big battery but ditch the front motor, and that output drops to a more than reasonable 214 horsepower and 258 pound-feet, and the 0 to 62 miles per hour time extends to 7.4 seconds. At the moment, Hyundai's only talking range for the specific configuration of the 72.6 kWh battery and single rear motor, claiming an impressive WLTP rated range of between 292 and 298 miles. Expect the official EPA range to differ here in the US. Here's a neat little tidbit: if you do happen to brick your IONIQ 5 on an overenthusiastic impromptu road trip, an optional solar roof panel can trickle charge the car for some extra range, giving you a shot at reaching a charger. That's only for emergencies, and a small passive charge. How the Hyundai performs at the plug is what matters. Crucially, the IONIQ 5 supports both 400-volt and 800-volt charging as standard without the need for plug adapters, and both levels are packaged in as standard. On a 350 kilowatts charger, the battery can be charged from 10 to 80% in just 18 minutes in an ideal environment, of course. According to Hyundai and WLTP, it takes just 5 minutes to suck down enough electrons for 62 miles of range. Once on the move, drivers can use the IONIQ 5 as a large mobile battery pack, with built-in vehicle-to-load function that charges smaller stuff like electric bicycles, scooters, and camping gear, among other stuff. The IONIQ 5 derives much of its design from the Hyundai 45 concept, including its overall shape with its sharp, angular lines running throughout, the pixelated taillights, and the unique daytime running lights. The IONIQ 5's wheelbase, which stretches just over 118 inches, is longer than the Hyundai Palisades, but its overall length, just over 182 inches, is 14 inches shorter than that SUV. The IONIQ 5 is 6 inches longer than the Tucson, but still 2 inches shorter in height. So its dimensions put it somewhere between a crossover and a hatchback, but not fitting perfectly into either category. The IONIQ 5 is the first vehicle in a new all-electric lineup from Hyundai. The IONIQ 6, a sedan, and IONIQ 7, an SUV, are due in 2022 and 2024, respectively, and will expand the full electric IONIQ lineup. The IONIQ 5 is slated to go on sale in the US this fall. At the top of the lineup is the IONIQ 5 long-range all-wheel drive. It boasts a more powerful front motor than the standard all-wheel drive model, rolling out with a total output of 306 horsepower and 446 pound-feet of torque. That makes it the quickest version in the 0 to 60 miles per hour dash, hitting the mark in just 5.2 seconds. With a decent amount of torque in all trims, Hyundai also estimates the IONIQ 5 should be able to tow over 3,500 pounds. Size-wise, the IONIQ 5 comes very close to the Tesla Model Y and Volkswagen ID.4. Hyundai did not announce pricing at this time, but did say that the IONIQ 5 will be available in selected regions during the first half of this year. You can get the new Hyundai IONIQ 5 with a load of new safety kit, including pedestrian detection, automatic emergency braking, automatic headlights, and advanced adaptive cruise control that can steer and brake for you on motorways. There's also a surround view camera system and a park assist feature that'll steer you into bay and parallel parking spaces. Measuring 20 inches, the aero-optimized alloy wheels are the biggest ever installed by Hyundai on an electric vehicle, and are like those of the concept car. At the front and rear, the rectangular pixel-like LED lights also evoke the show car unveiled at IAA nearly 2 years ago. As with other recent EVs, there are charging ports on both sides of the vehicle for extra convenience. That clamshell hood is a first for Hyundai, and it's as wide as the vehicle to cut down on panel gaps. The interior of the IONIQ 5 matches the modern design of the exterior. The front seats recline and have footrests for use while the vehicle is charging. They and many other parts in the cabin are made from recycled plastics, wool, eco-processed leather, and other sustainable sources. The instrument cluster and the infotainment screen, both 12 inches, sit on a single panel that stretches from in front of the driver to the middle of the vehicle. The head-up display in the IONIQ 5 is bolstered by augmented reality, meaning that information such as navigation can be projected onto the windshield in the line of sight of the driver. Although we're unsure what this will exactly look like in the IONIQ 5, Hyundai announced an investment in Wayray, a startup integrating augmented reality into head-up displays, in 2018. The IONIQ 5 could be the realization of that investment. Other tech in the IONIQ 5 includes a solar roof, a feature seen in the Hyundai Sonata Hybrid, and what Hyundai calls a vehicle-to-load function, a charging system that can provide up to 3.6 kilowatts of power. That's enough to charge and power many household appliances, but not quite enough to power your whole house. The new Hyundai IONIQ 5 is slightly longer than the new Hyundai Tucson, and it should have a roomier cabin because there's a greater distance between its front and rear wheels. You can also slide the IONIQ 5's back seats forward or backwards by up to 135 mm depending on whether you need to carry loft passengers in the back or lots of luggage in the boot. The IONIQ 5's dashboard is flat in design and lacks a cowl over its standard 12-inch digital instrument cluster, a stylistic choice that emphasizes the overall theme of spaciousness. That's reinforced by a column-mounted shifter, just behind the two-spoke steering wheel. In addition to the dashboard tech, the IONIQ 5 will have the next generation of Hyundai's SmartSense driver assistance systems. This includes the first implementation of the automaker's Highway Driving Assist 2, which adds lane centering assist, lane change assist, and navigation-based adaptive cruise control to the feature set. The IONIQ 5 will also have what we think is one of Hyundai's coolest driver aid features, remote smart parking assist. IONIQ 5's demonstration of environmental responsibility doesn't stop with electrification. Sustainability is at the center of IONIQ's brand vision, which can be found throughout IONIQ 5 in eco-friendly materials and nature-inspired colors. Many of its interior touchpoint seats, headliner, door trim, floor and armrest use eco-friendly, sustainably sourced materials, such as recycled PET bottles, plant-based yarns and natural wool yarns, eco-processed leather with plant-based extracts, and bio-paint with plant extracts. IONIQ 5 can also be equipped with an eco-friendly solar roof, which supports the vehicle's electric power source by collecting energy and transferring it to the battery pack, improving efficiency. The solar roof can prevent battery discharge, while providing an additional driving range.
Subscribe to Auto TV.